Hello everyone, Nick here. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today I want to do something a little bit different. I want to try to make an aftershave splash for my Dapplewood shaving soap from Pheonix Artisan Accoutrements. So Dapplewood is a mashup of Dapper Dock and Sandalwood shave soaps. The Dapper Dock has its matching aftershave splash and the Sandalwood shave soap has its matching aftershave splash. But the mashup, that is Dapplewood, doesn't have an existing aftershave splash. If you go to PAA's website, what they say is use this Dapplewood and the aftershave splash, you could have the best of both worlds. You could either use the Dapper Docks or you could use the Sandalwood. But what I want to try to do in this video is I want to try to make my own. So if we look at the scent profile for Dapper Docks, the scent profiles are lilac, fig, exotic spices, and musk. And it is said to be a Victorian-inspired scent. And this stuff smells exquisite. And I ain't even joking. This stuff smells so good. Oh, that is awesome. Doc Holliday would be proud. Oh yeah, that's so good. That is so good. And here we have the sandalwood. Scent notes are a blend of Indian, Australian, and Royal Hawaiian sandalwood. The scent is said to be extremely rich, semi-sweet, creamy, warm, and woody. Oh, and that is exquisite also. That is so good. I don't know which one of these is better, PAA or the Sterling sandalwood. I don't know, they're both beautiful in their own ways. I still believe that the Prosso Red is still top of the line. And I was about to lie and say I haven't found a formula better than CK6. But if I'm being completely honest with you, in my opinion, Barrister and Mann cannot be beat. What Will is doing over there at Barrister and Mann is top notch. And I think it'll be a while before somebody beats what Barrister and Mann is doing. If there's something better out there, let me know. I'll try it out. Because as you see here, I'm always running experiments. I'm always checking stuff. I'm always trying to learn. So let's check out this Dapplewood mashup here and see what this tells us. Oh, that is just so beautiful, man. That is awesome. That is so awesome. So what I want to do is I want to make a proper mixture of this aftershave splash because I'm going to mix both of these together to make an aftershave splash. So we're going to get Dapper Dock. Oh, yep, that's good. And we're going to see if the Dapper Dock is the strongest scent we pick up here from the Dapplewood. I don't know. It's in there. But I don't know if it's the strongest scent. Oh, that's nice. So we're going to put this guy over here. We're going to put this Dapplewood right here so we don't get them mixed up. Let's open up this sandalwood. Let's take a look at this sandalwood here. It's gorgeous. All right. Oh, yeah, that's pretty strong as far as the sandalwood scent being in here. Yeah. All right, let's do something here. Let's take a hit of this real quick. And then we'll grab these two and we'll take a hit of these two together. Oh, that's wild. It smells completely identical. There's no difference there. Okay, so I would say that's 50-50. The scent profile is 50-50. Yeah, that smells exactly like the Dapplewood. Yeah, spot on. Perfect. Okay, so that tells me what I'm going to do as far as the ratio on the mix for this mashup aftershave splash that I'm about to put together. It's going to be 50-50 of the product. So yeah, that makes it really easy. Cool. So I'm just going to put these lids back here. That way we don't get them mixed up. Although at this point, I'm pretty sure I could tell which is which if I ended up misplacing the lid. So I have a little bottle here because I don't ever throw anything away. And I got the diffuser, reducer, the little plastic piece with the hole in it. I don't know what you call this, but anyway, I've got this and I've got the cap too. I've got my syringe here. This is the syringe I use to add water when I'm bowl lathering. The syringe just comes off and then you have this guy here. So I'm going to use this to grab my product. And let's go with the sandalwood first. I'm going to shake it up. You know, I really didn't believe in shaking up these aftershave splashes when I first started wet shaving, especially these clear ones. But then if you really take a good look at them underneath a light, you can see that there's ingredients in there floating around. So you do want to mix them up. Always learning, always learning. So I'm going to stick my syringe in here and I'm going to fill this guy up. I'm just going to try to get all of this filled up by turning the bottle a little bit. There we go. I'm going to put this inside of this bottle here. There's really not much in there, so maybe I'll do 2 syringes. This is 12 milliliters of fluid. So Let's get another one. Let's fill it up one more time. So there we go. That's another 12 milliliters there. I'll put that in. So that's the sandalwood aftershave splash in there, 24 milliliters. We're going to put the cap back on this guy here. And we're going to open up this Dapper Doc here. Hold on, hold on. I need to shake it up first. I'm all telling you guys to shake it up and I'm not even shaking it up. Do as I say, not as I do, right? All right, that's shaking up pretty good there. So let's add, oh, this one's brand new. Still got the cap on here. Let's try to get this off. There we go. All right, let's fill this syringe here. $12 milliliters of liquid there. Fill this syringe up again. Oops. Got a little bit of air in there. That's okay. Didn't get a lot of air, just a little bit. Not enough to where I think it's going to make a difference. If you want to see how much air, just to clarify, there it is right there. That's how much air is in there. Not very much. So I'll add that in there. And just to keep it fair, let's add a little tiny bit more because there was air in there. So that much liquid, that much aftershave splash. I'm going to put that much more in there because that's about what the air was that was in there. All right, let's add this cap back onto the Dapper Doc here. And then we're going to put this diffuser. Let me know in the comments what this is called. I know what it's called. I just can't remember right now. So we're going to add that back in there. We're going to shake this up really good. Oh, that smells interesting. Let's compare it to the soap here. Oh, that soap is lovely, man. Oh, that smells really good. All right, let's get some of this on ourselves and see what it smells like. Oh, that's strong. Oh, man, I think I hit it right on the money. That is so nice. Oh, no way. That's beautiful. That's perfect. Oh, that did it. Hey, you guys, this works. Oh, that works, man. So if you have the Dapplewood and you do have the sandalwood and the Dapper Doc, you can just throw a little bit of it together, make your own splash, and it smells like the soap. I would say it complements the soap. It's definitely right there in the same DNA. That is the perfect splash, though. But if you don't want to, you can use either the sandalwood or the Dapper Doc, just like the website explains. But I just made my own, and I think it smells awesome. Yeah, I'm actually going to get a little more on. That is awesome. Oh yeah, I'm really glad I did this. That is spot on, man. That is perfect. So if you guys want to go try this, I would absolutely recommend it. This is perfect for this Dapplewood. I just found myself bored and I thought I'd come in here and just play around like I'm always doing. If you're looking around the house and you can't find me, this is where I'm at. You can always find me in here playing around with my stuff. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining me. This was super, super fun. The results were super, super awesome. I'm so glad I did this. I've been thinking about this for a while, but I just never did it. And I figured, well, I'm going to run in there and I'm going to try it, check it out. And I wanted to record it and do it for you guys. And of course, do it for myself. Again, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Hey, if you're new here, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Take care of yourselves. God bless.